welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, today I will be doing the watercolor method, and the colors that I will be going in today is pink blush in the brand Adore, and then I will be using pink Mania in the Kiss brand. So I'm gonna go in with the Kiss first because that is the lightest color, and then I'm kind of just testing it out, honestly, because I've never done this type of pink first, so I'm really just winging it. I saw these two colors and just thought they would turn out the best together. As you can see, it's really like that pink Mania is like a cotton candy pink, so pinks can be really hard. Oh, my spatula broke. But so yeah, as you can see, that pink is really light. So then I'm gonna go in with a little bit more dye and just light it up. Okay, squeeze all of that in there because this is not a very deep pink. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the other color, which is pink blush. This pink blush really took this color to another level. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I'm getting all of the dye, filling that up with water, and then pouring it back into there, mixing that dye up, making sure that it's nice and mixed up. Look, you guys can already tell that pink is just hitting different as soon as I put that pink Mania in there, making sure that I get every strand and just letting it sit. Oh my god, this color is so bomb. My client asked me, she wanted to do the same color that SZA did, so yes, I definitely think this is the color. If it ain't, it is very close to it. So I like to make sure that I'm, getting the color, the best color possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more dye, just a little bit, because the pink is still a little light. There's Bay hands again, Bay in the cut. And I'm just checking the wig over there, as you guys can see, to make sure. This is a 30-inch custom wig as well, ladies. So this is a lot of hair, which is why I do have 4 bottles, which I definitely think was enough. I don't think any more would have been necessary, but there were a few spots we missed up in the back, especially in the back. You guys definitely want to make sure that you get that back area, because sometimes cannot pick up the color. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and let that sit for a while, whisk the hair around, make sure that that color is getting everywhere it needs to be. This is a custom wig made by me, so if you are interested in getting a custom unit made, ladies, please DM me on Instagram at Satima's Beauty Shop to inquire. But yes, this pink came out so bomb. And as you guys know, I'm gonna go ahead and let that color sit in there so we can soak up as much color as possible. I feel like this step is very important for me, honestly. And if you want to get the best color, I definitely would suggest, if you're using this method, to let your bundles or let your wigs sit in there for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And because this is such a light color, I do believe I'll let it sit a little bit longer. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I have inserted a clip of how the wig came out. Look at that. Yes, honey. Okay. Yes, this was her birthday unit. So yes, I slayed this install. This color was so bomb. Oh my god, make sure you guys give this video a likes and comments if you love this color and if you would rock this color. Okay, Thank you for watching. See you next time, beauties. Mwah.